our room at the Caribbean Beach Resort. Come on in. So this is a king standard room. So here's the king bed. Gives you lots of room with the king bed. There are plenty of USB cords here on each side of the bed, on each nightstand, and outlets. There's also a USB cord over here and an outlet. And we got a corner room, so when the sun is shining, we're gonna get lots of sun here. And here, which is very nice. Yeah, we have an old-fashioned air conditioner, but we do have the wall, what's it called, wall mount monitor here?
Thermostat.
Thermostat over here to control it. Let me close these. Man, looks like it's stopping. And we have a ceiling fan. So happy to get a ceiling fan. And of course, we're playing our Disney. Over here, we have storage. So we just came from the Pop Century Resort, which is a value resort. This is moderate. These, I think you have a little bit more storage in these drawers here. I feel like the TV is the same size at Pop Century as it is here. And here's the refrigerator. It's already stocked with Diet Coke and M&Ms and a candy apple. More drawers here. Here's your coffee. And let's look at the bathroom with the sliding doors. There's the bathroom. I like that we have 2 sinks. Plenty of storage over here. 5 pillows are on the bed. And then we also have another pillow in here. So there's 6 pillows to this room. I like to always count the pillows. And let's see, here's the ironing board, the iron. And here's the safe. The moderate, you not only get a facial soap, but you also get a body lotion at the moderate resort. But you don't get that at the value. I mean, come on. We need lotion to moisturize our skin when we're at a value resort too, Disney. But anyway, let me show you the bathroom. Let's take a view. The bathroom's kind of small, but it's a nice bathroom. And then it's got the shampoo, conditioner, and the body wash mounted to the wall. Cute shower curtain. So all in all, it's a nice resort. I like this bed frame. Very nice. So thank you.
And maybe you'd like to show them how close you are to the Riviera.
Yes, so this particular building, are we in building 4?
Martinique.
Martinique is very close to the Riviera. So if you look out over here, there's the Riviera. And so you can actually take the Skyliner from here to the Riviera, to the Epcot Hollywood Studios, wherever you want to go. And then you can go eat at Riviera or something, and it's just right there. So all in all, hope you enjoyed our room tour at the Caribbean Beach. I love the parks, but I really love these pool days, and this pool at the Caribbean Beach